welcome to our channel. This is Angela with Andy Styles Boutique. If you are watching via YouTube, thank you for being part of the Andy Styles Boutique family. If you are watching this via our Facebook page, Crafty Designers, welcome. If you are new to us, welcome. We love having you here. If you are a repeat viewer, welcome back. If you're a subscriber, thank you guys so much. Thank you for rocking with us. We love you. So this is going to be a quick video. It's an unboxing of Handmade by Toya. She is a small business owner, and she creates custom t-shirt transfers. So I wanted to showcase this. I did a video a couple of videos back talking about how you can actually start a t-shirt business without having all the upfront cost. And when I did that video, we showed you how to use your t-shirt transfers that you can purchase at like your Joann's, your Walmart, your Michael's, and then print out what you wanted on those transfers, and then you can iron them on. And that was like super simple, relatively quick and easy, and you can start your t-shirt business that way. But if you wanted to go a little further, or let's say you started your t-shirt business and it is growing, and you now have the money to get you a heat press. So you have your heat press, you have your t-shirts, and now you want to expand a little bit more into your t-shirt business. Well, this idea or this option is it's amazing. It's allowing you to go to that next level without next level cash per se, kinda, sorta. Anyway, let's show you what this unboxing is. There's a couple of the t-shirt transfer companies that I use. I'll try to link them in the description box below if you're watching on YouTube. But if you're watching via Facebook, those places that I like to shop is Pro World, PROWORLD. The other one is SVG On Demand, which I love that company. And then Handmade by Toya, I like her too. But if you have a place that you like to get your t-shirt transfers, drop it in the comments. I'll check them out. All right, so like I said, this is Handmade by Toya. And this, I remember ordering these. All right, so I'm going to show you what I ordered from her, and then I'll go back and I'll put these on t-shirts, and then I'll either post them on my social media sites, or I may do a show and tell video of all the t-shirt transfers I've ordered from Pro World, SVG On Demand, and Handmade by Toya, just so you guys can get a look. But this is this one is for autism, so I did order that. This one is for, I don't know if you, oh, you can. Let me see. I'm trying to work this out, guys. This is Teacher Life. Okay, I have to be creative to show you these. I'm excited to put that on a t-shirt. This one is recycling. Don't be trash. I forgot I ordered that. I love it though. Don't be trash. Love the planet. I like that. This one is another one for teachers. It's Teach, Love, and Inspire. I'm still stuck on that Don't Be Trash though. This one is Faith with a line drawn through it. Now, honestly, I bought this, but you know, guys, we can create this on Cricut, but this is not that video. This is t-shirt transfers you can use when you're doing your t-shirt business, and if you want to when you can move up to the next level. So that's what this is. This one is one I purchased for a friend. It is a poodle, and it is for Sigma Gamma Rho. Well, she's not a friend. That's my sister. I'm sorry. I better stop calling her that because she did get on me. But this is for my sister. And then this one is for my sister's sister, who's also my sister. So it's two sisters I know that are a member of SGRO, Sigma Gamma Rho sorority. And I'm going to gift that to them. And it's no particular reason. It's just because, you know. I don't know. I might save it for Christmas. Christmas is coming up. I don't know, but that's for them. This one is a sister's t-shirt transfer, and I know you've seen these on line on Etsy. So this right here allows you to order things without having to print them out, without having to weed them, or to try to figure out what t-shirt, any of that stuff, or to even fight with the size constraints that you have in Cricut. This one says, oh, this is a religious one. It says, "How great thou art." And this one is for Juneteenth, and I'm gonna go ahead and print that out. It's I am blackity black every day, and then this is Juneteenth, so I'll do that this week when I get home. And this one says there's strength and sisterhood, and I'm hoping you guys can see these because I'm trying to live my best life when showing you these. Oh, I guess I gotta. And I ordered 2 of those. Ordered 3 of those. Oh, you know what? These are for sororities. Oh my gosh, okay. So this is the red and white Delta. This one is the blue and white for Zeta. And then this one is pink and green for AKA. And this will go to my mother-in-law. Let's see. This one is a Juneteenth, and it says "Living Fresh." So I'm gonna go ahead and print that out this week. This one is, oh my gosh, this is for Golden Girls, Squad Goals, Live Like Rose, Love Like Blanche, Speak Like Sophia, Think Like Dorothy. So that's that. Let's see. This one is another Juneteenth one. So no, this is the You Can't Withstand the Storm. This is the I Am the Storm one. It's really pretty. You can't see it from there, but you can see it from there. It's really pretty. So I like that one. And this one is dope. It's about she's got mad hustle and a dope soul. Can you see it? I don't know why. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm struggling here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, can't see it that way, can you? Well, anyway, trust me, it's pretty. All right, guys, so that's it. That's the video. And like I said, I got these from Handmade by Toya, and I love her stuff. I love SVG on demand as well. So I'm thinking for t-shirts, I may just do the transfers because they're so easy, and just put them on, line them up, press them down, let it cool off a little bit, rip it off, you're done. But anyway, I'm saying that, but I love Cricut. I love getting in there, creating and designing too. But when it comes to stuff that you see everywhere, instead of you trying to put it all together and order it, not put it all together. Instead of you trying, sorry y'all, I got excited. Instead of you trying to figure out how to do that in Cricut, if there's a place where you can get this stuff, then my suggestion is get it. A lot of these companies have sales. SVG on demand has Transfer Tuesdays, where you can get transfers for as little as $1. So if you pay $1 for that t-shirt transfer, and then you pay, Michael's has a Gildan's 3 for $9.99. So that's what, let's say $4 for the shirt, $1 for the transfer. That's $5 you have invested. Then you've already bought your heat press, so you can say maybe $1 for that. That's $6. Print that shirt out, do your markup, you've made money. All right, guys, happy crafting.